So in Windows, whenever you open up an application, let's say for example, like File Explorer, it comes in a rectangular box, which is window-like, hence the name Windows. So if you want to move around this window here and there, you click on the title bar, that is the top bar right here, where there is the name of the application displayed. You click and drag it around, and what happens is that this is the window, as you can see. If you want to resize the window, you can go to the bottom until you get this icon right here. From the side, you can pull and push and resize this, pull and push from the side, and pull and push this from the bottom as well. You can go to the corner, click and drag this out, and then pull and push as well. If you were to click and drag this out onto the top, then what happens is that it fills up the entire window, as you can see. You can click and drag it out again to bring it out. So now you can see that there are 3 buttons on the top right hand side. So over here you can see that the first one is minimize, and if I were to click on minimize, the application gets minimized. So what happens is that you do not see any application opened up in the desktop, but it is actually running in the background. And over here you can see that the minimize application, it shows a small dot in the bottom right here. So you know it is minimized, and as you hover over, you can see that it actually shows a small version of the window. So once you click on this, then what happens is that the program reopens again. So this one is maximized. So if I were to go around and click, you can see that it maximizes in place, or I can click and drag around and keep it on the top, snap it on the top, it maximizes. If you were to hover around the maximize option, you can also set it on a particular region, as you can see right here. You can go around right here and choose a particular region, as you can see right over here as well. And similarly, you can select out different spots right here for different windows right here, as you can see. So that is a feature that is new to Windows 11 for snapping out your windows in different locations easily. And the other button right here is the close button. So if you were to click on this, you do not see the dot anymore. And if I were to hover over, it says File Explorer. The application now has been completely closed out. So if you were to click on this, then it reopens. So you can minimize this and click on this to open, or close it entirely right here. And that is how you can resize out your windows. And then that is how you can move around your windows and then minimize, maximize, and then place windows in different sections of your screen, and then close your application inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.